Hey, this is Rahul and welcome to the drag race between TVS Apache RTR 204V and the Yamaha FZ25. I know there'll be a lot of complaints about comparing a 200cc bike with a 250cc one, but when you look at the specs, they're not that far apart. The FZ produces 20.3 bhp of power, but the Apache produces 20.7 bhp, so it's actually making more power. However, the FZ's power comes in at a relatively lower 8000 rpm, but the Apache makes its peak power at 9000 rpm. On torque, the FZ25 has the advantage with 20 Newton meters at 6000 rpm compared to 18.1 Newton meters on the Apache 204V, and it's also coming in at 7000 rpm. The curb weight of both the motorcycles are tied at 148 kilograms, and they both have a 5-speed gearbox. In this test, I'd be riding the FZ first, and I weigh around 63 kilograms, and the other rider Amitabh is around 80 kgs, but we would swap bikes later to see if that makes a difference. On paper, this race seems to be a very close one, but enough talk, let's put these bikes against each other and see how they perform. Round 2. Fair and square winner FZ25. That's the bike. So if you're looking to buy one of these two motorcycles, let's be honest with you, the Yamaha has been much more reliable, and the Apache, initially it feels like it's more powerful, but when you compare it with the FZ25, that 50cc displacement difference is really coming in handy. It's a better bike to tour on. As you can see, it's faster. You'd have to see the pricing. That is right now equipped with the dual channel ABS, so prices have gone up for the FZ25 if you buy it new. The one we are testing doesn't have the ABS, however it is still a better bike to buy, as the cost of ownership, reliability and all of that is advantage Yamaha. And as you can see, it's the clear winner today in a drag race. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching the drag race between the TVS Apache RTR 204V, that's a mouthful, and the Yamaha FZ25. Now today's drag race was pretty one-sided. The FZ was always pulling ahead. I know when you're riding the FZ, it feels more mature, it doesn't really feel all that powerful, but when you're comparing it with the Apache, you can understand that it is actually the faster bike out there. Initially the Apache goes away for maybe a few seconds, and then the FZ is taking it over, and then there's no catching back for the RTR 204V. Thanks for watching, and these are the two owners. He owns the Apache and he owns the FZ25. Shobik, you've seen him previously on the channel. He has ridden with us before, but I don't think I've introduced him on the channel. Biplab. So Biplab and Shobik, these are the two owners. Though we were dragging out the bike, that's Amitabh who was dragging the Apache, and then we swapped it out, and he's right now doing the cinematography as well. So do hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that bell icon which is right next to the subscribe button. See you on the next video, and we're coming up on 100k, so that subscribe, go ahead.